Welcome to YAHs Kitchen. We know who the king of the kitchen is, Yashua. I'm your chef, Chef Tony, and your servant today. Remember, man should not live off bread alone, but every word from Yahweh's mouth. Welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're going to be making banana pancakes. Alright, the first thing we need is some pancake mix, peanut butter, honey, 1 banana, a measuring cup, in the mixing bowl. We're going to do 2 cups of pancake mix, 1 1/4 cup of water. And you want your pancake mix to be thick for your bananas. Don't forget to thank the one above for your daily bread. Time to eat.